Hey guys, this is Daniel from Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy, a series where we go more in depth on the products that we sell here at Obsessed Garage. So today we're going to be talking about the Kranzle K1322 Ultimate Portable Solution that we have here laid out in front of us. So the first thing you want to do when you receive your order is you want to take inventory of what comes in the box to make sure there's nothing missing or damaged. So in this portable solution, it comes with a 40-degree nozzle, 25-degree nozzle, a GHT quick disconnect kit, an M22 plug, an extra set of 1/4" and 3/8 O-rings, an OG spec sprayer wand, OG spec sprayer gun, as well as an inlet hose and a 50-foot hose with Mosmatic fittings. Also included is a PF22.2 foam cannon, and last but not least, our Kranzle K1322 TS pressure washer. So now that we've checked all our inventory, we want to start now on the inlet hose side. With that, we want to take our inlet hose. The way they come in the package is they're already screwed in, so all you need to do is unscrew them. And then we're going to take our female coupler and attach it to the male side of the hose, like so. These do have an internal O-ring, a rubber one, so there is no need to crank them really tight. Just hand tight is just enough. Now we're going to take our male plug and attach it to the female side of our hose, like so. Now we'll take our male GHT plug and attach it here to the inlet side of the Kranzle machine. One thing to note is that it does have an O-ring as well on the inside, so we want to make sure and inspect it to make sure there's no damage on there that could cause a leak. And again, all you need to do is hand tight. So now let's take our M22 plug and attach it to the outlet side of the machine. One thing to note is this has an internal O-ring, so there's no need to apply Teflon tape on the threads. All you need to do is hand tighten and you'll be all set, like so. Let's take now our last fitting, which is our female coupler, and let's install it on our hose bib. And remember, all you need to do is hand tighten and you'll be set. Our next step now is to install the OG hose to our unit. So we're going to take our coupler, insert it there onto the outlet side of the Kranzle unit, then take our OG spec sprayer gun, attach it to the bottom, as well as our OG spec wand. And now that it's assembled, we're actually going to test and turn on the water and test to make sure there's no leaks in our unit. So we want to inspect our outlet and our inlet side, and we're good. And now our next step is we want to bleed any air out of our OG hose. So for that, let's just pull the trigger here. As you can see, it'll start spouting a bit. In this case though, it seems that all the air has been let out. So now that we verify that there's no air in our system, our next step is to plug into power. In this case, we are using Matt's personal machine off of his custom install, so it is a modified power cord, but don't worry, the power cord that you receive in the box will be the stock length. So, going to take our plug, connect it, and then press the reset button. Now that we have power to our Kranzle unit, we want to power it on. But before, we want to attach one of the OG nozzles that's included, and then power up the unit. Now our last step is to set up our PF22.2 foam cannon. So let's open up the box. Included in the box you will find your foam cannon body, the pickup tube, the bottle, and an extra orifice size. If you're unsure of which orifice size you need, please be sure to check out our pressure washer spreadsheet. So now let's set up our foam cannon. Take our foam cannon body, insert the pickup tube. It does require a bit of force, but once it's nice and snug, you're all set with that. Then you want to fill up your bottle with your soap of choice. And then when it comes to screwing in the bottle, we want to use the bottom of the base to guide it in. That way we avoid any cross thread damage. Like so, nice and snug. And then take our sprayer gun and connect it, and you're ready to start using your foam cannon. There you go, guys. That is how you set up your Kranzle K1322 Ultimate Portable Solution. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them below on the video or contact us at support@obsessedgarage.com.